Before buying H11 LED headlight bulbs, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real buyers often complain about compatibility issues and installation headaches that can turn a simple upgrade into a frustrating experience. Product number 1, Thermitor 2026 H11 LED Combo. First up is the Thermitor 2026 latest H11 9005 LED light bulbs combo, priced at $49.98. What caught my attention is that it's labeled a bestseller, boasting 100,000 lumens and a lifespan of 70,000 hours. If you want incredibly bright headlights that last, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product stands out. Imagine driving at night with lights bright enough to turn the darkness into daylight. Plus, the advanced cooling system made of aviation-grade aluminum means these bulbs won't overheat, ensuring stable performance and longevity. Users have rated it 4.5 stars based on 1,400 reviews, which shows it's well received in the market. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky if your vehicle has tight spaces. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with a little DIY or have a helper, it's usually manageable. This is perfect for you if you want maximum brightness and longevity from your headlights. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick plug-and-play solution without any hassle. For the price, you're getting a solid upgrade. Now, if the installation concerns with Thermitor bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, SYLVANIA H11 Extra Vision. Next, we have the SYLVANIA H11 Extra Vision, retailing at $32.75. The Extra Vision bulbs have gained a reputation for their consistent performance, and with over 19,300 reviews, it's clear why they're popular. If you're looking for reliable halogen bulbs that give you better visibility, these are worth considering. This is crucial for safer nighttime driving. They're made to be durable, boasting a robust filament design, which means they're built to last. Plus, the easy installation features are a big plus for those who want to avoid complications. However, some users noted that the brightness may not be as high as LED options. But here's my take: if you prefer the softer light of halogen and don't want to deal with LED flickering issues, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you value reliability and ease of installation. Skip this one if you want the brightest light possible. At this price, they offer great value for anyone needing a dependable replacement. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting high brightness without the hassle. Product number 3, Thermitor latest H11 H8 H9 Combo. The third product is another Thermitor option, the latest H11 H8 H9 and 9005 HB3 bulbs combo, priced at $59.98. With a brightness of 120,000 lumens, this one really caught my eye. If you want ultra-bright headlights that don't compromise on installation ease, this is worth a serious look. These bulbs provide a perfect 6500K cool white light, which means you'll have excellent color contrast and clarity, perfect for recognizing road signs and obstacles at night. The plug-and-play package is super convenient, offering everything you need for immediate installation, so you won't have to worry about any complicated wiring. That said, some users reported issues with compatibility on specific models. But here's why that's not a deal breaker. These bulbs have a high compatibility rate, and if you double-check your fit, you should be covered. This is perfect for you if brightness and easy installation are your top priorities. Skip this one if you have a very specific vehicle model that might not be compatible. It's a bit pricier, but you're definitely getting a lot for your money. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Thermitor H11 H9 H8 Conversion Kit. Next, we have the Thermitor H11 H9 H8 bulbs, costing $49.99. This product claims 50,000 lumens of brightness, making it 10 times brighter than standard halogen bulbs. If you're after powerful light output without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. The compact size also means they fit easily into your vehicle's existing sockets without any modifications. Plus, It has a solid cooling system to prevent overheating, which is essential for longevity. However, some users found the brightness a bit underwhelming compared to higher-end models. But honestly, if you're coming from standard halogen bulbs, you'll likely be impressed by the upgrade regardless. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet bright option. Skip this one if you need top-of-the-line brightness. For the price, it's a strong contender. Now, if you want to really maximize visibility in poor weather, check out the next product on our list. Product number 5, SEALIGHT H11 LED fog light bulbs. Finally, we have the SEALIGHT H11 H8 H16 LED fog light bulbs priced at just $19.99. This is a great budget option, especially for fog lights or DRLs. If you want something that performs well in bad weather without spending a fortune, these are definitely worth a look. This means you'll feel safer when driving through inclement weather. Plus, the installation is a breeze, fitting a variety of applications without any hassle. On the downside, some reviews mention a shorter lifespan compared to pricier options. Here's the deal though, if you're not driving in extreme conditions daily, this price point makes it a low-risk investment for better visibility. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable fog light or daytime running light on a budget. Skip this one if you want top-tier performance in all conditions. You're really getting good value for what you pay. So to wrap things up, we've covered the Thermitor 2026 combo for maximum brightness, the reliable SYLVANIA Extra Vision for ease of use, the high-output Thermitor combo for those needing serious illumination, the affordable Thermitor conversion kit, and finally the budget-friendly SEALIGHT for fog and DRL use. Each option has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your needs best.